Italian sausage browned, and I'm setting it aside. And now I'm here in the pan, over here, and I'm browning the chicken breast. Okay, so we're having chicken breast sausage. It's over. I think today I'm gonna do rotini. I have rotini I'm preparing, and I want to get some of this brown really well. This beautiful chicken breast. Let's just get him going. I think I'm going to give it I have garlic already in my sauce, but I'm going to add a little garlic powder right on top of this chicken here. There we go. We like garlic here in our house, so, you know, you put as little or as much as you like there, okay? And I've already got salt. I got some Italian seasoning going here. So what I want to do is just get these just kind of golden, and then I'm going to pull these out, and then we'll start with our onions and peppers, okay? Because we like to brown things first. First we brown, then we come back with our veggies, get them to soften up, and then put everything together with our sauce and our wine, and we're making this beautiful sausage, chicken, peppers, onions, over pasta. Oh my God, it's going to be delicious. Peter, I'm going to leave them fairly long today, like this, okay? And I have 3 different colors. You can use just green if you like, or one color, whatever you like. I like to mix up the colors so that way we get different colors going. And I have red too here, some nice red ones. Red one. There's not a lot that goes in this, and you're serving it over pasta, so you've got to make sure you make enough sauce when you're making your sauce. So let's get our onions mixed up here. It's starting to smell like onions. We'll get these going. And what I'm going to do here is add a little bit of salt on our onions. Okay? And I'm going to start to layer things. Now we like the taste of the Italian sausage, and we like it with extra fennel seeds, okay? And fennel has a beautiful anise taste to it. And these seeds will melt away when you're making your sauce, so you don't even need to worry about it. They do add a lot of flavor to your dish. And then let's add some more of this Italian seasoning, because we want Italian seasoning here. There we go. And then I'm not going to season any more now until I get the sauce going.